All right, what's going on, everybody? We got a how-to product review, like how to assemble a herb garden planter. So it's Leo Bona, and I purchased it off of Amazon for like $179. I'll put it up on the screen. So the reason why I purchased this one, I shopped around on Amazon for about 5 minutes. I believe it was the largest model, and I liked how it had these different sections there that you could plant different plants in it. It's heavy, so it arrived in my front porch and I had to bring it back here on a dolly. I wouldn't want to carry it, so let's go ahead and unbox it, and it's definitely going to be sturdy, and see if we like it. Let's go. All right, here's what it looks like coming out of the box. I'm gonna be honest with you, I was pretty discouraged. It probably took 15-20 minutes to unbox it, and you literally fill up a landfill with all the extra styrofoam and stuff that they packed in there in cardboard. But hopefully it'll be a good product at the end here. So I'm going to go ahead and start reading the directions. All right, here's what step one looks like. Basically, screw these two boards into the big plate there. Didn't need any tools yet. Comes with an Allen wrench. All right, we're done with step two. I assume we'll figure out if we did it right or not here, but put together these two sides here. All right, we're at step three. Did need a medium size Phillips screwdriver for this one. Basically, screw this little piece into the big piece there. All right, folks, I literally had to take the entire thing apart. The directions aren't, I don't know if they're technically wrong, but they're not very good. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to build this box first, and I want you to lay it down with the hollow end where the dirt goes on the bottom here. And then you try to fit in this side into there, and this side into there. And then you screw these screws last. Now let me flip it over for a second. All right, so notice all these pegs go in to the inside, and whenever now imagine you're putting this piece on here, there you leave the gap of it at the bottom, so it's kind of tricky. But that's what it looks like so far here. All right, step five is literally just screwing two screws in. So went ahead, did step six, was just 4 screws. Putting this bottom piece on is pretty easy. All right, next 2 steps. Basically slide these 3 G pieces in, and then we slide these H pieces in. Stick this piece of fabric down below there. It says you're supposed to screw screws in there and there in the 4, but I prefer just not to screw them in case you want to take the middle one out anytime, so leave that go. Now, I believe these bags, check it out, go in here, because what I don't like, you could see there's dirt would get down in there. So it's not airtight. So let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, so I guess you're supposed to put the bags in there, that way the dirt doesn't fall down through the planter. It also comes with these tools here, but I don't think I'm going to use them. I don't want to hang anything else on here. So the next step, I'm going to put dirt in there. Not thrilled, but I like the container, but I'm not sure about the bags here. We'll see what it looks like after I put the dirt in. All right, we had to wait till day 2 to finish the video because it started raining last night. It started getting dark because it took so long to put the thing together. You do need 3 big bags of soil. I mean the large bags in order to fill all those up. And I guess it'll end up looking pretty good. So just kind of fold those plastic bags to the back there. I guess I like it. All right, there you have it. I'm gonna give it a good recommendation. Pretty solid, like the product, but it takes a long time to put together. All right, have a good one.